Welcome to the video on Databricks plus Kobai, bringing semantic intelligence to the Databricks Lakehouse. This combined solution requires no new platform or data movement, providing the AI that understands your enterprise. The core data challenge is context. While Lakehouses unify data, they don't encode relationships between entities. Real operational questions depend on how assets, people, systems, and events relate to each other. Answering complex questions requires reasoning and meaning, not just rows and columns. A semantic ontology is a common dictionary for the organization, defining shared business concepts and relationships, such as an engineer certified for a turbine model. Once this model is defined, enterprise data is connected to form a semantic graph. This gives the organization a connected model of operations that reflects the real-world work. When enterprise data is connected through explicit relationships, new capabilities emerge. This allows for explainable AI that is trustworthy and grounded in business context. You can ask complex operational questions and gain enterprise visibility across physical assets, IT systems, and supply chains. This transforms siloed data into actionable intelligence. This diagram illustrates the Kobai on Databricks architecture, showing how semantic graph capabilities are built on and augment the Databricks stack. Kobai sits on top of the Lakehouse, Lakebase, and Lakeflow layers, providing a semantic layer for enterprise context. All queries run on Databricks Compute, and governance comes from Unity Catalog. The architecture highlights ontology context and graph flexibility implemented in familiar ways. Kobai Studio allows for semantic model authoring and orchestration. All data remains in the Databricks Lakehouse, and Kobai defines the semantic model, with queries executing on Databricks Compute. Kobai is designed to operate natively within the Databricks ecosystem, providing a strong technical foundation. This includes native integration with Unity Catalog, AI-powered construction for building the graph foundation quickly, and adherence to open standards, ensuring data is stored in open Delta Lake format. Kobai empowers experts and trusted AI by democratizing data while grounding Gen AI. Seamless and explainable AI drives governance and trust, delivering trusted answers and full explainability. Self-service drives expert productivity through a codeless experience, rapid iteration, and domain-owned semantics. Kobai is a knowledge graph platform built on Databricks, providing semantic intelligence on the Databricks Lakehouse. For queries or support, please contact us at support@kobai.io.